Project integration management is a project management knowledge area that helps teams work together more seamlessly. Integration management takes various processes, systems, and methodologies and brings them together to form a cohesive strategy. In order to accomplish this, trade-offs need to be made. Project goals need to be the guiding star when determining when and where these trade-offs will be made and will require buy-in from the full project team and all stakeholders. Everyone won't get what they want, but the end result will be a project completed on time and within budget. Project integration management has 7 processes. 1 process for initiating group process. Develop project charter. 1 process for planning group process. Develop project management plan. 2 processes for executing group process. Direct and manage project work. Manage project knowledge. 2 processes monitoring and controlling group process. Monitor and control project work. Perform integrated change control. 1 process in closing group process. Closing project or phase. This is the only process in the closing group process. We will tackle each project process in integration management knowledge area in detail in the next videos. Great job! Keep moving forward.